Using water for fuel is a very realistic process that has already been used in practice. The issue with using water as fuel is the fact that the process contains multiple steps and it is very expensive. In this video, I'm going to explain the steps that turn water into fuel. The first step is you have to separate the water into oxygen and hydrogen. Water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen. This is the first major obstacle in this process. Hydrogen is explosive, very explosive, so it has to be stored in a specialized tank for safety and efficiency. This hydrogen is eventually used to produce the fuel. For the second step, the next thing you need is a fuel cell and solar panels. In this specific instance, a hydrogen fuel cell will be used, and these things are very expensive. It also needs to be powered, which is where the solar panels come into play. The solar panels are typically placed on top of the vehicle to power the fuel cell, which is why this process is typically seen in large buses instead of small cars. The last step is placing the hydrogen into the fuel cell. Hydrogen is a diatomic molecule, which means that in nature, two hydrogens are typically bonded together. So while in the fuel cell, the hydrogen atoms and their electrons separate. The electrons generate the electricity, which is now being used as the fuel. The excess hydrogen combines with the oxygen and form water vapor.